Do you have an Android TV and you are thinking that why all of a sudden it's running very slow? Well, you don't need to worry about because there are many people in this world which have an Android TV which has been slow after some usage. So in my case, it's actually a Sony Bravia 43-inch 1080p display TV that I got back in 2015. Although Sony is a very reputative brand for TVs, but it still has its own disadvantages. See, the Android operating system on TVs are not specifically designed for one particular type of TV. It's been designed for many TVs. And the system on chip in TVs that run these operating systems is kind of mediocre one. So in this video, I'll show you how you can do a few steps and make your TV faster. Let's get started. If you have a Sony TV or any other Android TV, you have to go to your settings. After going to the settings, you have to go to About, scroll down and search for the build. Now you have to press a few times and it will open the developer mode on your TV. Note that this method is kind of similar to the ones that we do in our phones. Now go back and head on to the developer option. So here you can see that there are multiple options that you can choose from, but the one option that you have to select is actually the animation ones. Now I have turned on the animation to off because initially it was one times, now it is off, and also you have to turn this off. So you have to turn every single animation of the TV off. The second important thing that you have to do is you have to limit your background applications. In my case, I tend to make it as one process. This means that only one app will run in the background. This means that your RAM will be free. So therefore, now you can see that it's kind of faster since the animations are gone and the background processes are actually not running. So this is how you can make your TV faster. If you have an old TV lying around, or even if you have bought new Android TV, this method will surely work. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.